Hi sir, ano po yung mga paninda po ninyo dito?
Hi, binibenta namin is all about tofu. It's basically plant-based tofu with all the different kinds of sauce.
Oh.
Like Japanese curry, creamy pesto, we have alaking at saka yung original with chili. Meron kaming combo. It comes with rice, appetizer, and the choice of tofus. Yes, and also the choice of sauce.
Sa sauces po ninyo, ano po yung bestseller po ninyo?
Ang bestseller namin is yung alaking at saka yung creamy pesto.
Wow. Homemade po talaga.
Yes, it's all homemade. It's all plant-based.
Sir, ano po yung marirecommend po ninyo?
Recommend ko is the tofu square using gamit yung creamy pesto sauce at saka yung alaking namin.
Sige po, isa po na. How much po sa isang ganito
This
kaya?
one for creamy pesto is 130
Okay po.
and for the original with chili is 120 naman.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Oh. Ito pong coating na po ka. Ano po siya?
It's all plant-based then. We use besan flour for binder, some spices at saka mushroom powder.
Mushroom
Powder.
powder. Oh.
So parang ano siya namin siya, pang palit namin siya sa egg.
Oh, okay. Wala po siya talaga siya egg.
No egg.
Plant-based
It's all
talaga full.
plant-based, yes, 100%. It's all vegan. Yeah.
Wow.
So it's kaya mas healthy siya.
Anong oras po kayo nag-open?
Open kami ng 4 p.m. to 9:30.
9
And then pagka weekends naman is 4 p.m. until 10.
Oh, blue po yung rice.
Yeah.
Anong rice po siya?
We use the yung alternative flour.
Yung meal po na meron po kayo for rice meal ay tofu katsu po.
Everything.
Ah, okay.
Pwede siya sa combo.
Okay po.
With appetizer, this is the harumaki roll. So, as I mentioned earlier, it's made of banana blossom wrapped with nori. So, magkakaroon ka ng parang fishy flavor for the harumaki.
Pero wala po siyang fish talaga. Wow. And this is only for magkano po siya?
The combo for tonkatsu is 130.